Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, someone's coming, someone's coming. Stupid thief, you stupid thief, you take all my food! Welcome to an episode of NOC Plays, and as many of you may know, O-level results have recently been released and most of you might be looking for a new laptop as you embark on a new journey. Now Huawei has recently given us the MateBook14 and this could be the laptop you're looking for. This laptop has AMD Ryzen 5 4000 series with Radeon graphics as well as 16GB RAM and 512 SSD. Now it has a 14-inch 2K display as well as 90% screen to body ratio. Now look at that thin bezel. And to top it all off, this design has a metallic body which makes the whole laptop feel very premium and luxe because it's not plastic. And on top of all that, this laptop is super lightweight, only weighing 1.49 kg. Now the price of this laptop is only $1,298, which makes it one of the more higher performing laptops for its price range. Great value for money. On the right, we have two USB ports, and on the left, we have an audio jack, a HDMI port, as well as a USB-C charging port, which supports fast charging, allowing you to charge from 0% to 44% in only just 30 minutes. And the best part about it is, because it's a USB-C charger, I can charge both my Huawei phone as well as the laptop with just the same one charger, and it also supports super fast charging. Now, as most of you may know, we recently did a 10-hour live stream and all of the gameplay footage was from this laptop itself. Now, what I really like is that this laptop comes with the latest Windows 10 OS, which means I can play all the games I want to play on top of using it for work and studies. As a casual gamer, I really have no complaints. As you all know, I've been working as a producer in NOC for about a year now, and the job requires me to work at home and in the office. But because this laptop is so lightweight and portable, I can just put it in my bag and I'm ready to go. Rain already lah! Oh my god! To be honest, what Sylvia doesn't know is that I'm just bringing a laptop home to enjoy Netflix on the 2K resolution screen. Shh. And one of the best features of this laptop is that it has the Huawei Share. Now, if you're a Huawei phone user like myself, Hachi.tech Pro, you're gonna be very excited because all you have to do is tap your phone on the touchpad and it connects, and you can then transfer your data, your files, your images, or even cast your phone screen onto the laptop display itself and control your phone from there. So while your phone is charging on the other side of the room, you can actually pick up voice calls, video calls, and even send text messages.
1, 2, 3. Next pose. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we got it.
Alright, so what I really like about the Huawei Share is I can easily transfer the photos from my phone to my laptop using just a touchpad. I just have to put it down here and then drag and drop the photos and edit them using my computer software like Photoshop and Lightroom, and it gets the work done so much faster. But if you want to see the final product, here it is. So someone has been stealing all the food that I bought from the fridge. But the good thing about the Huawei Share is that I can turn my phone into a CCTV. So all I have to do is put my phone in the fridge and cast the screen to my laptop. And now all we have to do is wait. Okay, guys, someone's coming. I stupid thief, you take all my food! To be very honest, she's just taking whatever she deserves from the fridge. She can take my food, and if she even find the phone, let her take it lah. Really, it's hers. I don't care, man. I'm really okay, you know. Sylvia. Okay, we hear you guys saying, but what do I do if I don't have the Huawei phone? Now don't worry, we are giving away one brand new set of the Huawei Mate 30 Pro in vegan leather orange. And all you have to do to win this is to head over to our Instagram post and comment how you will use the Huawei Share. But don't forget, you guys have to like the post and follow both NOC Plays and Huawei on Instagram. Bonus points if you follow me as well. Good deal, right? Just need to comment only. Now, Aiman, back to you. There's also the fingerprint lock-in function, and the keyboard is actually soft and really comfortable to type on, especially if you're using it for a long period of time. But if you ask me if there's anything that I would prefer to have changed, it would actually to be to place the webcam on the top of the screen because let's face it, that is not really a flattering angle for me. No. But all in all, for the price of $1,298, I feel this laptop is worth the money because you're getting the best performing laptop at its price range. Now, if you want to know where to get this laptop, you can get it from all Huawei Concept Stores as well as these selected electronics consumer stores. And if you want to get it online, it's available on Huawei's official online stores at Shopee or Lazada. But if you are lazy, I have placed the link in the description box, so all you have to do is click the link and check it out. And that's the end of today's video. I hope that it has helped you find the right laptop for you. And as always, don't forget to shoot the subscribe button and click here for more. Yay! I'm gonna keep this laptop forever. Bye, Brandon. It's mine.